Hello friends, my name is Akash. Today I give you some idea about the method overriding in Java. Method overriding is object-oriented programming concepts which allows a subclass or child class to provide a specific implementation of a method that is already provided by one of its superclass or parent class. Means it creates a relationship between a superclass and subclass. Means one superclass or parent class declare a function or method which is redefined by the its subclass or child class. So let's I explain with some example in method overriding. So first I create one class xyz, finish. In xyz I declare some simple function like void show system.out.println, which is declare superclass. This keeps error because S is capital. Then outside of this class I declare another class like AB extends xyz. This class I declared again same function which is already declared by the superclass. Here I print the message, that is system.out.println subclass. If it gives error it will be capital S. It skips error AB. Some things I already declared name of the class is matched with the existing some class, so I change the name. I change xy. Also it gives errors. Xy is already defined, so I change pq. Now it is okay. So now I create the main function of this class, that is xyz underscore main, which I checked this main method. Now I call, that is the second method I name, second class name is pq, object name is ob pq ob dot so. So execute the programs, Java application, it skips subclass. So we redefine the function, so it gives the output of the subclass and it displays the output of the subclass. If we want to create the object of its superclass, like superclass name is xyz, like ob1 equal to new xyz ob1 dot so. Now it's okay that both will be this. If we want to declare, if we want to display both the message by creating only one object of the subclass, then I have to use the superclass super function which is used here, that is super dot show. Not super dot show in this area. So if you comment this and print this, that's it's it's correct that whenever we create the function in the method in the subclass, this time just in the first line write the super dot show. It will be fetch the output of the first method of the superclass and display the message in both of the superclass and subclass by only creating one object of the subclass. So that's for all. Thank you friends, hope you understand these videos and also the concept of the method overriding. Don't forget to subscribe my channels. So thank you.